Everyone, welcome back to Educate Cube's Advanced Microsoft Excel Power Query tutorial. If you are looking to take your Excel skills to the next level, you are in the right place. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to combine multiple Excel worksheets from the same workbook using Power Query. Whether you are using Excel 2013, Excel 2019, Excel 365, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft 365, or any other version with Power Query, this method will help you consolidate data like a pro. So, why use Excel Power Query? It is a part of Microsoft Excel Get and Transform feature and allows you to easily combine data from multiple sheets or combine data from multiple Excel files or even multiple Excel workbooks. This is especially useful for analysts, business users, or anyone working with large data sets. Let's dive into actual steps. First, I will show you the data we will be working with. Let's open Educate Same Workbook file over here. Here you will see five tabs. First one is Product 1, Product 2, Product 3, Product 4, and calls data 11. Our business requirement is to append all the data from the Product 1, Product 2, Product 3, and Product 4 tabs while excluding the calls data underscore 11 tab. In the future, if any new tabs are added with names like Product 5, Product 6, or Product 7, simply clicking the refresh button will automatically append the new data in Excel Power Query. If you need an exercise copy, watch Educate Cube's Advanced Microsoft Excel Power Query tutorial second video, where we have told how to access all files for practice in the last 2 minutes. I will show you two methods to combine multiple Excel worksheets from the same workbook using Power Query. The first method will demonstrate how to take data from one Excel workbook with different worksheet and append it to another Excel workbook. The second method will show how to append data within the original Excel workbook. In the first method, we will demonstrate how to extract data from one Excel workbook containing multiple Excel worksheet and append to another Excel workbook using Power Query. Okay, so let's close this on this particular file and open a blank Excel workbook. Navigate to the data tab, go to the get data, and here you can from go to the from file option and click from Excel workbook. Okay. Alternatively, you can click on launch Power Query Editor. Click on it. The Excel Power Query Editor interface will open. In the home tab, go to the new source, go to the file option and select Excel workbook. Yeah, now you need to select your file over here. Okay. For demonstration purpose, we will select the same Excel file, but note that the data is not in the table format. To confirm, I will show you again the Educate Q same workbook file. Let's cancel this and cancel this also. Open the Educate same workbook. Notice the data is not in the table format. Okay. Uh, in all the tabs. Take the note of it for the second method. Okay. Now close this. It's a return to the Power Query editor. Just go to the data, click on get data and click on launch Power Query editor. In the home tab, go to new source and click on files, then on Excel workbook. Then go to your file and select Educate Cube, same workbook. Okay, click on import. Now select now navigator window will pop up. and it will ask you should choose any one sheet, and I'll select product 1 over here and click on OK. Now what we do next now? In the apply step pane of Power Query, remove all the steps before source. So one by one, I will be removing everything over here. Now in the data view, we can clearly see that all the worksheet names are listed in the name column along with the corresponding data column. Select both name in data column, right click in either of the column and select remove other columns. Okay. Now go to the your this name filter filter icon and select only and check this call data 11, or alternatively, that is the best way I feel. Go to the text filters and click on contains. Okay, enter product over here and click on OK. This will filter the data to show only the worksheets related to products as per our business requirement. Next, click on the expand icon in the data column and uncheck use original column name as prefix. Click on OK. Now the data may appear messy, so we will need to clean it. This is the essence of the ETL: extract, transform, load process. In the first column, this column 1, you need to select only product 1, product 2, product 3, and product 4 along with product what C. This product what C will serve as our header. Okay, I will. Okay, let's select only product 1, product 2, product 3, product 3, product 4, and product what C. Click on OK. In the upper left hand corner, okay, click on the small table icon and select for use first row as headers. Okay, it will take up first row. It will consider all the first row as it header. Okay, now again go in the direction in the product what see, just select its filter and uncheck product what see. Finally, go to close and load. Click on close and load, and there you have it. Power Query combines multiple Excel files and even Power Query combined multiple workbooks. Now I will show you the second method to combine multiple Excel worksheets from the same workbook using Power Query. Now close this particular. We can close this Excel workbook. We have practiced, and you can practice on your own as well. I have just made a copy of the same over here. I'm right clicking on it. Let me maximize it. Okay. Okay. Um, okay. Now go to the data tab, go to the get data, go to from file, or you can select, sorry, not from from other sources. You can select blank query, or you can go to the launch Power Query editor, click on it. Power Query editor interface will open. In the Home tab, go to New Source. From other sources, click on Blank Query. In the Excel formula bar, you need to type Excel.CurrentWorkbook. You need to put bracket as well and click anywhere in the interface. Okay. Now, ideally, in content under the content column, Okay, the file name should be coming, or you can say table name or table name should be coming, and the name, sorry, in the content, the structured format of the table should be coming, and the name column, the name of the uh, table should be coming. Okay, but it is not coming out here right now. In Power Query, the Excel.CurrentWorkbook function is used to retrieve all tables and name ranges from the current Excel workbook. It returns a table with two columns. First, the name of the table or name ranges in the Excel workbook, and the second is the content, the actual data in a structured format. You can use Excel.CurrentWorkbook when you want to load data that is already structured in tables or name ranges within the Excel workbook. This is useful for dynamically loading data into Excel Power Query. However, after entering the Excel.CurrentWorkbook function, we have noticed that no data is being displayed. So let's close the Power Query editor and inspect the data in the Excel sheet. I'm closing this. I will discard it. Okay. You will likely see that the data in the sheet is not in the table format. What you need to do, select all the data. Okay. Press Control T. Window pop-up is here and click on OK. Now the data has been converted into a table format. Okay. We all need to convert the data in each Excel worksheet into a table so that Excel.CurrentWorkbook function in Power Query can detect these tables and consolidate all the data into a single data set. You can also name the tables, select all your data, okay, go to the table design um, tab, and in the table name field, you can write your table name. I want it to be product underscore one. Okay, copying it and just press enter. Yeah, here we go. Now go to the product two, select all the data, press Control T, click on OK. The table design, just rename it. Okay, same thing we need to do for product 3 and product 4 as well. Press Control T. Okay, rename it. Rename it as product 3. Control press enter. Go to product 4. Control T. Okay, rename it as product 4. And let's rename this as well. Calls data. Control T. Okay, product. Sorry, this should be calls underscore one. Press enter. Okay, now we will head back to Power Query editor once again. Click on get data. Click on launch Power Query editor. Okay, now go to home tab. Click on new sources. Click on icon. No, sorry, other sources. Click on blank query. In the formula bar, write Excel.CurrentWorkbook. Sorry, we need to put bracket as well. Okay, click anywhere. Now here you see the content column. You can see structured data is coming over here. At the bottom, you can see over here, and here is the name of the particular table name. Okay, now as you can see, yeah, see the data, all the are populating here. Now, our business requirement is to select only the product related data. Go to the name column, click on filter icon, and select text filter and press contains over here and type product. Here, click on OK. Drag the name column to the extreme left side. Okay. Now click on expand icon, uncheck this use origin column name as prefix name. Okay. Finally, go to the your close and load. Click here, close and load now, and that's it. You have successfully combined multiple Excel worksheets into one using Power Query. Whether you are working on consolidating reports, combining multiple Excel files, or just trying to streamline your data analysis process, this trick will save you tons of time. Okay, so if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Educate Q for more Excel tips and tricks, and let me know in the comment box what topic you would like to see next. Thank you, everyone. Let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.